Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.23. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.56%. This represents an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and modestly rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 7.7% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 4.86% to 8.82%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a change of about 25.76% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between 17.14% and 27%. This would correspond to a price range between $706.29 and $765.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded to hold accumulate. The SPY ETF price declined by 0.275% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, dropping from $604.60 to $602.94. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.608%, reaching a low of $602.14 and a high of $605.80. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.93% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume rose by 398,000 shares, despite the declining prices. This could signal a potential early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 31 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $18.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF's highest price was $609.06, while the lowest price was $460.60. Currently, the price sits 1%, or $6.12, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 experienced a slight decline today, falling by approximately 0.1% as mixed trading conditions lingered. Analysts are growing more optimistic about the S&P's potential trajectory in 2025, with projections suggesting it could climb to 7,000. This bullish sentiment is fueled by a year characterized by significant milestones and a favorable outlook for further gains. In the near term, the market appears to be in a buy-on-the-dips mindset, particularly as investors await upcoming consumer inflation data, which is expected to influence Federal Reserve decisions. However, recent developments, such as underwhelming earnings from AutoZone and Nvidia's decline due to antitrust concerns, have tempered market enthusiasm, contributing to a cautious sentiment indicated by the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index remaining in a neutral zone. On a longer-term horizon, fundamental shifts such as the inclusion of Apollo Global Management and Workday into the S&P 500 reflect ongoing rebalancing efforts that could attract more investor interest. Workday's shares surged following its announcement of joining the index, highlighting the market's responsiveness to shifts in the S&P composition. This dual momentum could support upward pressure on SPY prices in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $605.31. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $591.42. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was observed from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by 0.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average also provided a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 26 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 88 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $570.98 and $568.25. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $570.98. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $568.25 and $554.42. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the fund moved $3.66 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.608%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund has been 0.483%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at 603.67. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could represent a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $585.74, reflecting a decrease of 2.85%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating while we await further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems have determined that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of December, we anticipate that SPY will open at approximately $603.63, reflecting an increase of around 68 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.